In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a LUT in DaVinci Resolve 20. We will go from a plain-looking clip to a stylized look using a LUT, step by step, even if this is your first time in the software. Start by importing your video into the timeline. If you are on the edit page, look for the media pool in the top left area. Drag your clip from the media pool down into the timeline area until you see it appear as a strip. Once you release the mouse, the clip is now part of your timeline and ready for color work. A quick tip here, if you have multiple takes, pick one representative clip first so you can focus on learning the LUT workflow without distractions. With the clip in the timeline, click the color page at the bottom. You will see the interface change to a darker layout with your preview monitor in the center, the timeline clips along the bottom, and a row of nodes, often on the upper right side. The color page is where all LUT and grading controls live in DaVinci Resolve. Take a second to confirm your clip is highlighted in the mini timeline, so any changes you make affect the correct shot. Now open the LUTs panel in the upper left corner. If you do not see it, click the LUTs icon in that area to reveal it. When it opens, you will see folders such as DaVinci Resolve and any custom LUT folders you have added. Each folder can contain several LUT files, usually listed as small names in a column. Beginners often confuse the LUTs panel with the gallery just beside it, so make sure the tab labeled LUTs is the one active before you continue. From there, browse to the LUT you want to use. Click through the folders one at a time, for example a folder called Film Looks or Rec 709, until you find a LUT that matches the style you want. The names often hint at their purpose, such as camera conversion LUTs that fix log footage, or creative LUTs that add a strong mood. Hovering your mouse over different LUTs lets you see their exact names, which can help you remember favorites later. Next up, drag the LUT onto a node, usually node 1, or directly onto the clip. Click and hold the LUT name, then move your cursor over to the node graph and release it on the node. Alternatively, you can release it on the clip thumbnail in the timeline at the bottom. The LUT is applied immediately, and you should see the image in the viewer change as soon as you let go. If the look seems too strong or strange, remember you can always add more nodes later to adjust exposure and contrast around the LUT, which is how many colorists fine-tune a result. You just learned how to import a clip, open the color page, and apply a LUT to your footage in DaVinci Resolve 20. If this helped you get a cleaner look faster, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more Resolve tips like this.